In today's video, we're diving into 3 of the best finance apps for Android. If you're looking to take control of your budget, track your expenses, and improve your financial health, these apps are just what you need. Let's get started and see how each one can help you manage your money better. Bluecoins Finance VE Budget. Bluecoins Finance VE Budget is an all-in-one personal finance app designed to help users manage their finances effectively. The app offers robust budgeting features, expense tracking, and financial reporting, making it easy to see where your money is going. Users can set up budgets for different categories, track income and expenses, and view detailed financial reports through intuitive charts and graphs. Additionally, Bluecoins supports multiple currencies and provides features like bill reminders and financial goals, making it a versatile tool for anyone looking to improve their financial health. Money Personal Finance AR. Money Personal Finance AR is a comprehensive budgeting and expense tracking app focused on simplicity and functionality. With its user-friendly interface, users can easily input their income and expenditures while keeping track of their financial goals. The app features various budgeting tools, including customizable categories and spending limits. Money Personal Finance AR also provides visual aids, such as pie charts and graphs, to help users analyze their financial situation. Its ability to set reminders for bills and due dates ensures that users stay on top of their finances and avoid late payments. Finance Money Manager VE Expenses. Finance Money Manager VE Expenses is an effective app designed for managing personal finances and tracking expenses effortlessly. The app allows users to categorize their expenses, set budgets, and monitor their spending habits over time. With features like multi-currency support, users can manage finances in different currencies easily. The app also provides detailed reports and statistics, allowing users to gain insights into their financial behaviors. Finance Money Manager's intuitive design and straightforward functionality make it suitable for anyone, from finance beginners to more experienced users seeking better control over their financial life. Thanks for watching our video on the best finance apps for Android. We hope these tools empower you to manage your finances more effectively and reach your financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. See you next time.